This is a 2002 Honda Accord Coupe V6. Checking for bad engine mounts. This engine mount is shot, and you can't really see that it's shot just by the naked eye. So I'm going to show you a quick check. It's just a shadow. You can't really see the failure. But anyway, stick a crowbar or some kind of prying instrument right here or on the other face if you want. And then just move it around. So that's that direction. Go forward to back. Get a ton of play. This thing has a pretty loud bonk when you fire up the car. Okay.